question to you. Actually, have you ever seen ants? Yes, the ants, they never quit. How? If you go through the terminology of ants, you'll find there. Imagine, just assume it, or you can just go and experience it. The way ants are struggling and they find the way. See, ants is just a tiny creature from the nature. Now I would like to tell you, if you see the ant and if you try to stop the ant doesn't stop there. They try to find a way to move on. They will go here, they'll go there, they'll go here, they'll go there. They'll at least try to, if you are stopping them with your hands, they'll try to climb up your hands. And they'll climb up and they'll get free. They are not going to wait over there like our human beings. If someone is stopping us, we're going to wait over there. Oh, yes, there is a barrier. They don't wait for the barrier. If you're going to stop them, they are going to get away to move on from there. Now I would like to tell you one more thing. If you see the ants, such a tiny creature on the earth, that ant is trying to find a way to get rid of. And here we go with our own selves. We are the human beings. We have plenty of excuses just to build up our empire. We have umpteen times excuses and great numbers of excuses just not to do the work we want to. And that ant is there, even in your hands. Until unless the ant die, they don't quit. Ants don't quit, but we human beings quit. I have one more question to you. Many of the people are there. As I'm Ansār Idrīsi, I'm English coach. I have one question to you, that many of the people that think and they feel that I want to speak English, but they refuse themselves. They put their barriers in front of their own selves. Why? That they could not speak English. Actually, it is their problem that they are not speaking English. They are not trying. They're feeling some kind of barriers are coming in their own ways, and those are the barriers which are stopping them to great success. So here I am. If you need any sort of help with the communication, you can get back to me freely. Thank you.